Let's make this versatile graphic together. First, start off by inserting a rectangle with rounded corners. Resize the shape to 4 centimeters for both width and height. Make sure to remove the outline and then give it a color to your liking. Next, go to Rotate and select more rotation options in the drop-down. In the menu on the right side, type in a rotation of 45 degrees. Then duplicate your shape. Resize it to 5 centimeters for both values. Then align both squares in the center. Send the bigger shape to the back by using the options in your right toolbar. Then click on Shape Fill, and in the drop-down select the option More Fill Colors. On the bottom left of the newly opened tab, increase the transparency to 40%. Go to Rotate and again select More Rotation options. This time, type in a rotation of 22 degrees in the right-hand menu. Next, duplicate your shape again. Make sure to align everything at the center. Rotate the shape again, this time by 67 degrees. This shape should also be sent to the back. Then you duplicate the bigger square shape one last time. Again, align everything at the center and rotate. This shape will get a rotation of 130 degrees. Don't forget to send the shape to the back. If you want a bigger contrast, you can adjust the color of the small center rectangle. In a next step, insert a text field. Place it at the center of your shapes and type in the number 1. In the right side of the toolbar, adjust the text orientation to center. Increase the writing size and give the text a color to your liking. Then select all the elements on your slide. In the Arrange drop-down, select Align Middle. While still having all elements selected, group everything. In a third step, place the shape in the upper left segment of your slide and duplicate 3 more times. Then adjust all of the colors to your liking or based on brand colors. For the shapes that have an increased transparency factor, you can simply select different colors. The transparency will stay the same. As for the layout of the 4 shapes, you can follow the proposed arrangement or create your own design. In the end, change the numbers to 1, 2, 3, and 4. You could also work with letters or icons if this fits your needs. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.